everybody. Today I'm doing a pour on a glass bottle. This is just a normal glass bottle. I get coffee syrups delivered, and that's what this was in here. So I just peeled off the sticker. I ran it in hot water and it helped peel it off. In the areas that it's still stuck, I used Goo Gone, and that takes it right off. Then after, I washed it with soap and water to make sure this residue was off, and then I did clean it with window cleaner, so that gets all the sticky, soapy residue, whatever, off of there. So the colors that I'm using today are Liquitex, cadmium, red, deep hue, another Liquitex, phthalo blue, Artist Loft silver, and then the white that I'm using is from Artist Loft, and it's the Flow Acrylic. Alright, so when I do this, I usually take a wine cork, and stick it in there tight. That way I can hold it and pour the paint all the way down. Alright, so let me get my gloves on, and I'm going to put a drop of the silicone that I use in each color. It comes out kind of fast sometimes, I gotta be careful. Okay, 2 drops. That'll work. Alright, and then I'm going to just give each color just a quick once over there. It's sitting in the top there. I'm going to move it around just a touch. I don't like to use a lot of that when I do a wine bottle pour, just because it could leave, where it hits the surface first, it'll leave indentations, or you'll just see glass. There will be no color there. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the silver, and I'm pouring each color on individually. So I usually grab it like this, like so, and then just start from the top, and then just let it drip out, and there's really no right or wrong way to do it. You just let it go. Oh, and I do have, when I mixed up my paints, I used Liquitex in my paints today. Just so you know that. Not that it really matters, but that's just what I mixed in today. Colors are kind of covering each other up, so I'm going to try to run it a little bit more like, there we go. Cover some of these places. I don't know if you can, I'm lifting it too high. Put a little more silver on there. There's a lot of paint in the bottom. Make sure I get all the spots covered. Sometimes you easily missed. like a cell within a cell, but there actually is some glass. So sometimes what I do is just take a little dot of paint and just touch that up. I'm going to put a little bit of white. I don't want to do too much. We'll see how it goes. Cool. We're going to actually add some more over here, red and blue. Blue. I don't really want it to turn pink. I mean, it might. And I guess I'm alright with it, but that's why I'm pouring the colors on separately, so there's not too much. And I know they're going to blend a little, and that's alright. Actually, I want some more color. It's too much white over here. Probably shouldn't have just put any white. A little bit more silver, because I like the way the silver look. The silver is blending, but I don't want it to take over, so I'm going to let that drip down for a minute. That looks a little thin, I think, because the silicone probably hit right there. Run that down and then give it a little movement. Right down. Well, that's pretty cool right there. Alright. Let me take a look at it. Yeah, there's a few little spots where the silicone hit. So usually I'll just take my finger and just dab it and fill it in. It's okay if it drips. I don't do that. Or you can fill it in later after it dries and just touch it up with a brush. Okay, so I think I like how that's turning out so far. It looks kind of cool. I know it blended and turned a little pink right there, but I actually kind of like that. Although, let me see here. I might touch that up. Not really sure if I like that so much. I'm just going to dump some silver on here. Okay. Let's mess around a little bit. There we go. Trying to get it to go down through there a little bit. I have a lot of runoff in the bottom of my tray. Okay, I really like how that looks now. So now I'm going to let it dry for a couple weeks, and then we will come back and I'll spray it first, and then we'll come back and I will show you the finished product. Okay guys, so now this is all dry and sprayed, and this I used the Winsor & Newton Professional Gloss Varnish. I really like this brand, this one. It works really good. I've used it on canvases as well. So anyway, I'll spin it around so you can see how it turned out. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I'll do a couple little close-ups there. A few little cells popped up, which adds to it, because just random, just a few. There we go. Alright, so I'm not quite done with it. So I have a few little things that I'm going to use to decorate it. I will be right back and you can see what it looks like when it's all put together. Okay guys, so there it is, it's all done. I'll just zoom in a little bit for you. There, it looks really good. And these you can, you know, you don't have to have those exact ones. You can find different ones. You could put flowers in there. There was a bunch of different kinds of these. You don't have to have that on there. But anyway, I just thought it turned out really good. And hopefully this gave you an idea and you can make something for your own home or for a gift for someone. So there you have it. All right, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.